Today our topic is ordering, standard form and BODMAS. Let's start with the introduction of these three. What does the ordering means? Ordering means you have to write the numbers in an order, either increasing order or decreasing order. Increasing order or decreasing order. It depends on the question. What is asking from you to write the numbers in decreasing order or increasing order. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the increasing order, and when I have to write it in the decreasing order, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the ordering of number. Next, we have to discuss today's topic is standard form. Standard form is the simplified form. Or you can just say you have to simplify the question given, what you can possibly solve it or simplify it. And the BODMAS means brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It means if the question is given in which there is like this, for example, 2 plus 3 subtract 5 multiply by 4, and next is divide by 2. So how you can solve it, like the question like this, you have to first solve the brackets, these two brackets, because in BODMAS you have to solve the first brackets, then division operation, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So I'm writing it like this: 2 plus 3 as it is minus 5 4s are 20 divided by 2. It becomes 2 plus 3 minus 20 divided by 2. Now what you can do, you have to follow brackets after division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. You perform these operations in this order. So first we will divide. 2 plus 3 remains same, minus 20 divided by 2, it becomes 10. Next, what operation you have to perform? Multiplication. There is no multiplication given in the question, so we will omit it. Next is addition. Addition is have, so we perform addition first. 2 plus 3 5 minus 10, and in the last you have to perform subtraction operation, and which is minus 5 your answer. So this is how you have to solve these questions. The ordering means, standard form means you have to just simplify the question, and BODMAS means perform division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and first of all brackets first. Whatever the operation is in the brackets, you have to perform first brackets. Okay, you can see here is multiplication, here is division, but I first perform brackets, solve brackets, then I will follow the order: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, the question given is this, you have to solve it, and we are seeing in this question we have to perform BODMAS. So let's start. 10 minus 15 over 8 as it is, multiply by 3 by 2, plus, this is in the form of mixed fraction, convert it into fraction first, common fraction. 4 2s are 8 and plus 1 9, 9 over 2 plus minus 1 by 4. Okay, next what we will do, we have to perform the brackets first. 10 minus 15 over 8 multiply by, it is 12 over 2 and plus minus minus 1 over 4. 10 minus, now your question becomes like this, and what we will have to do is to follow the BODMAS, and we have to perform first multiplication. Okay, 10 minus, multiplying both these numbers we will get. Next In the denominator there is, we know 1, so I write it here. This 10 has addition sign, 44, 5 over 4 has minus symbol, and 1 over 4 again have minus sign. So this plus minus minus, so I would solve first two values. Firstly, you have to take the LCM, same the denominator, by multiplying by 4. It becomes 40 minus 45 and minus 1 by 4 as it is. Next, what we will do, the answer is minus 5 over 4 and minus 1 over 4. Denominator is same, so I am writing 4 like this, minus 5 and minus 1. It becomes minus 6 over 4. You can simplify it because you have to write the answer in the standard form always. So the answer is minus 3 over 2. This is your answer. Our next question is this. It is written in the form of decimal. You have to write it in the standard form. What you have to do is to move it points and write it in the form of 10 multiply some part. Okay, so when we are point is moving towards the, this is my right hand, from left to right I've moved the point from zeros to this number after the integer 4.5. You have to write multiply 10 power, because you have to move the point from left side to right side. Okay, from left to side to right side, so you have to put the power in the negative. And how many jumps we take? 1 2 3 4, so power is minus 4, 10 power minus 4. Okay, remember that when you move from left to right, you have to write the power in negative. Okay, similarly, another question, if you are given you like this, 4 multiply 10 की power 7, you have to write the number in the standard form. How you can write it in the standard form? It means 4. 10 power 7 means you have to write 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is your answer. This is in the standard form. This is your answer. This is in the standard form. Okay, this is the simplified form. Okay, next what we are doing, our next question is write these number in the form of order small starting with the smallest. Arrange these fraction in order starting with the smallest. This is your example of ordering. How we can write these numbers in the ordering? These all are in fraction. First you have to convert all these numbers into decimal form, so you can easily judge which one is the smallest. So I'm writing here by converting all of these numbers into the decimal form. You can all check these. It becomes 0.8 and it is 0.9 and it is 0.85 and this is 0.84 and the last one is 0.82. Okay, first I have converted all these numbers into decimal form. Next what we'll do, we have to check which one is the smallest. Okay, let's see. There are two significant figures, there are two significant figures, there are two significant figures, and there is one significant and there is one significant figure. So how we can make them two significant figures? And for purpose of spacing, you know, we use 0.80. We can write 0 after it. It becomes 0.90 and the remaining numbers remains the same. Okay, now all these numbers have two significant figures. Now check which one is the smallest. This is 0.80. It means 80, 90, 85, 84, 82. So you all have to know which one is smallest. 0.80 is smallest, then 0.82, 82, 0. For understanding, I am telling you like this way. It doesn't mean that this number is 84 and 85, but if you see, these all have common 0. So these numbers are considered as like the numbers actually 80 is smaller than 82, is larger than 84, is larger than 85, and the largest one is 0.90, it means 90 at the last. So this is the arrangement. Now what you have to do is to write the answers in the form of fractions again, okay, because the question asking you in the form of fraction, so you have to write the answer again in the form of fraction. Now what we are doing, 4 by 5, 0.80 is the smallest, so first number is 4 by 5. Next 0.82 is this last one, it means 41 over 50 is the second largest number. Next number is 0.84, this is 21 over 25. Next fraction is 0.85, it is equal to 17 over 20. And the last one is 9 by 10, which is equal to 0.9, it means 9 by 10 comes in the last. So this is your order for this number, and this is the answer. We have write all these numbers in the order of starting with the smaller. Okay, let's see another example. You have to again put these numbers in an order starting with the smallest. First you have to convert all these numbers into the decimal form, so you can judge easily what these numbers are. 9 by 20 means when you divide 9 by 20 it becomes 0.45, and for the 0.39 I am removing the point, it becomes below point I write 1, and number after points are 2, so I'm writing 2 zeros in the denominator. Next, simplify the next form, 46%. Percentage means you have to divide by 100, or you can say multiply 1 by 100. I'm writing like this so you can easily understood what I want to say. 46 divided by 100 or multiply 1 over 100, both means same. And 2 divided by 5, you know its simplification is 0.4. You have to simply divide this. Now it is 0.45. It becomes 39 over 100. It is 46 over 100, and the last one is 0.4. Now you can easily divide these numbers. 39 divided by 100, you know it becomes 0.39. When you divide 46 by 100, it becomes 0.46, and the last one is 0.4. What you have to do now, check all these numbers. All these have two significant figure, this have one significant figure. For spacing we use 0, and I'm writing 0 here. Now which one is the smallest? 0.39 is smaller, 39, then 0.40, then 0.46, no, 45. 45 is smaller, and then 0.46. Now write all these numbers again in the form which you are given in the question. Keep it in mind, you have to write the question, you have to write the answers in the form of question. Okay, 0.39 means 0.39, okay, because in the question we are given like this. 0.40 is the answer of this last number, it means 2 by 5. 0.45 is the answer of this fraction, so we have to write 9 by 20, and 0.46 means 46%. So you have to write all these numbers in an order, and we have write all these in the form of order starting with the smallest. So this is your answer. I hope you all understood. Next question is this, you have to write the answer in the form of standard form, and answer should be correct up to 3 significant figures. You have to write in the form of 3 significant figures. How we can write these two numbers? These are multiplying, So 7.25 you have to multiply it by 2.5, this number by this, and both the powers I'm writing here, 10 power 3, 10 power 5. Next 7.25 multiply by 2.5 multiply by both the bases are same. You know, when the bases are equal, power should be added. Okay, so it means when you multiply 7.25 multiply 2.5, so the power becomes 10 power 8. Okay, when the bases are same, powers should be added. Now I am multiplying here 7.25. you can also multiply it by removing their points. Divided by 100, removing its point, divided by 10, it becomes 725 over 100 multiply 25 over 10. Here the cutting is possible. I am doing it. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and it becomes 5 1s are 5, and 22 5 4s and 5 5s are 25. Okay, the simplified form is 145 over 20 multiply by 5 over 2. Again simplification is possible, we can do it. 5 4s and 5 2s 10 and 5 9s are 45. So the simplified form becomes 29 over 4 multiply by 5 over 2. It is equal to 145 over 4 to the 8. Now what you have to do, 145 divided by 8, it is equal to 18.125. So what you will get after multiplying 7.25 by 2.5 and by further simplification, we got the answer 18.125 into 10 raised to power 8. This is your answer, and you have write the answer in the standard form. One more thing I want to add, when you are moving point from left to right, you have to put the power negative. When you are moving the point from right to left, your power is positive. Okay, you have to write power above 10. How many jumps you take? 4, so you write 4, but we move the point from left to right, so power is -4. But when you move from right to left, your power in the 10 is positive 4 5, whatever, how many jumps you take, it depends on how many jumps you take to move the points. Okay, if you take 5 jumps, so power should be 5. Keep in mind, when you are moving the point from right to left, power should be positive, and when from left to right, power should be negative. That's all. I hope so you understood.